Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Alhamdulillah, salatu wassalam ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Students, in this video we are going to start how to find logarithm of a given number, and using logarithm and logarithm table, how do we do simplification of numerical values. Before start this session, we are going to recall something we studied in the earlier. In the earlier videos, we studied about what is logarithm and what is the basic idea of logarithm and how the logarithm values are there, and we studied two basic laws of logarithm and another two logarithm laws. The logarithm with base 10, we all know, we can write it as LG. So logarithm 10 is equal to 1. How it comes 1? Logarithm 10 means logarithm of 10 to the base 10. So we'll take logarithm 100 here. Logarithm 100 to the base 10. That is the meaning of LG. So entire logarithm base 10, we can write it as LG. And 100 is the logarithm number. We studied the earlier videos. So 100 means it's 10 squared. If a index value in a logarithm, it will come front of the logarithm and multiply with the logarithm. So 2, that is the basic law. 2 into logarithm 10. If the base number and the logarithm number are same, entire logarithm we can evaluate as 1. So that is the second basic law. So that means 2. So like this we can find all these values. Logarithm 10 is 1, logarithm 100 is 2, logarithm 1000 is 3, logarithm 10,000 is 4. Which means if we evaluate logarithm 10, it is equal to 1. So logarithm 100 means it is equal to 2. So what about logarithm 85? Can you guess a value of logarithm 85? Yes, we can guess. So how we are going to guess? LG 10 is equal to 1, LG 100 is equal to 2. So LG 85 means it's less than 100. So it is in between 1 and 2. In between 1 and 2 means it is starting with 1 point something. Okay, if you evaluate, it starts from 1 point something. Likewise, we can use this table to evaluate the given logarithm number is in between which value. So if you take 550, logarithm 550, so we know this table. 550 means it is between 100 to 1000. The logarithm 1000, if we evaluate it, it is 3. So 550 means it's less than 3. So greater than 100. So which means 2 to 3. So if we evaluate, the value should be 2 point something, between 2 and 3. So likewise, we can take the value of different logarithms with using of this table. So we need this value. Okay, and the values எங்களுக்கு தேவைனால இத நம்ம ஒரு டிஸ்ப்ளே ஆக நம்ம இங்க போட்டுக்கிறோம். Okay. The other section we studied, always logarithm is a decimal number. Logarithm is a decimal number. Before decimal, we have some digits. After decimal, it is only with 4-digit number. It is only with 4-digit number. Before the decimal, we can have 1 or 2-digit numbers or 3-digit numbers. Okay, so the after decimal number we can call as mantissa. The before decimal number we called as character. Logarithm, it's look like a single number, but it is combination of two different values. Whole number, another set of 4-digit number. The combination we called logarithm. So those are the things we studied in the earlier videos. We recall it because we need the continuity. So with these ideas we can go further. Logarithm of 123.5 to the base 10. So that is the reading part. How do we read a logarithm? So this sentence we can make it as a concise form. Logarithm of 123.5 to the base 10. So we need to find. We are going to find what is the value. So if you change this with the other modifications, logarithm of base 10, we can change it as LG. We are not going to write logarithm base 10. And the logarithm base 10 என்று சொல்லி நாங்க எல்லா क्वेश्चन எழுத போகல क्वेश्चन செய்யற நேரம் உங்களுக்கு விளங்கும். அந்த base 10 எழுதி கொண்டு போறதால எங்களுக்கு பெரிய ஒரு விஷுவலி பெரிய ஒரு வர்க்கிங் உண்டு அங்க இருக்கு. அது விளங்காது. சோ அதனால அது ஒரு கன்சைஸ் ஃபார்மா, ஷார்ட் ஃபார்மா நாங்க எழுதுவோம் LG. Entire logarithm 10 we can simplify as LG. So LG 123.5. We are going to find the logarithm of 123.5. So now it will change as a concise form. So read it. Logarithm of 123.5. LG means to the base 10. So the entire sentence will write this. So the other part of the basic, if we can write 123.5 as 10 to the power, as 10 to the power. So the power is the logarithm. So that is our basic part. So இத மறந்துடாதீங்க. ஒரு நம்பரை நாங்க 10 to the power எழுதலுமா? எஸ், எழுதலும்னு சொன்னா அந்த இண்டெக்ஸ்ல வர வேல்யூ அதோட டெசிமல் வேல்யூவா வரும். அந்த வேல்யூக்கு நாங்க கொடுக்கிற பேர் தான் logarithm. சோ அதை ஃபைண்ட் பண்றதுக்காக வேண்டிதான் எங்களுக்கு இந்த logarithm டேபிள் வந்திருக்கு. சோ இந்த logarithm டேபிளை நாங்க யூஸ் பண்ணி 123.5 அந்த வேல்யூவை நாங்க சர்ச் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகே, சோ உங்களோட டேபிள் வேல்யூஸ் நீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட்க்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா எங்களுக்கு சில காலம்ஸ் ரோஸ் இருக்கு. சோ the first part starting from 0 to 00 and 10 11 12 it's end with 99. So we can call it as rows. அதுக்கு வந்து நினைவு வச்சுக்கோங்க. நான் क्वेश्चन செய்யற நேரம் rows செக் பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னா we can call these values of this table starting from 10 to 99. We have two pages starting from 10 to 99. We called as rows. Okay, the other part will have 0 to 9. So we called as the first column set. First column. We can call it as first column. If you go through the values inside this column and rows in this area, you can see all are with 4-digit numbers. All the values are with 4-digit numbers. In the rows and with this column, all the values are with 4-digit numbers. And we have the second column part we called as mean difference. So at that column also we have 1 to 9 and single digit numbers. So if you go through the values, it's most probably single digit number. Somewhere else you have 2-digit numbers also. Mostly single digit numbers. Okay, so there are 3 areas you need to know to find the logarithm. The first set is rows starting from 10 to 99 and the first column set 0 to 9 and the second column set 1 to 9. Okay, so we are going to study how we use logarithm table. So the logarithm table is aligned with to find the logarithm of base 10 numbers. Using this logarithm table only you can find the base number 10. So with other bases, we studied in logarithm 1 how do we simplify with other bases. Bases only for 10 only we can use this table.